Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger voice record is not working. So let's get started. Well, here I'm on my Messenger app and I'm going to tap on a random chat, for example, this one. Now, if you hold the Messenger voice record and it doesn't work, then there's a couple of things that you can do to fix this problem. Well, the first thing is to make sure that Messenger app is updated. So go to Play Store and type in Messenger. So here, if it says open, then your app is updated. But if it says update, then you need to update your app. Another thing that you can do is to go to settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. This interface will appear, so tap on the second option, manage apps. And here, a list of apps on your device will appear. So scroll all the way down till you get to Messenger app. And tap on clear data, then clear cache. So this will refresh the app and delete any bags on the app. And this is it. This is how to fix Messenger voice record is not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.